Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a random number generator. Let's get right into it. Okay, so what you want to do first is you want to open up your palette and you want to go to gadgets, other gadgets, and get a text. Now go to the math chip and get a random chip. Should look like this. Now go to props, dynamic, and get a button. The button will fall to the ground, but that's okay. Now once you have your 3 items spawn, you want to go to configure, and now you want to configure the green pin on the random chip. Min means the minimum number that it will generate, so we're gonna set it to 1. Or if you want to set it to like a negative number, you can set it to a negative number. So we're gonna set it to like negative 100. And we're gonna configure the blue pin. It says max, which means the maximum number it will generate. And we'll set it to positive 100, just like so. So you can use this example if you want, but you can use any 2 numbers you want. Again, the minimum or the green pin, the min or the green pin means the minimum number that the random chip will generate, and the blue pin, aka the max chip, means the maximum number that the random chip will generate. Now let's get on to wiring. So you want to put the red pin on the button, which is when button is pressed, on a wire to the generate signal, which is the red pin on the random chip. Now what it says here, random number from green to blue, meaning that whatever 2 numbers you just put right here, it will generate a signal to generate a number between negative 100 and positive 100. So you want to wire this to the red pin on the text variable. But we're not done yet. Now let's go back to configure, and you want to configure the text. When you configure the text, you'll see message 0, message 1, message 2, message 3. You want to configure message 0, press modify on it. Now type what I type. Open bracket, capital R, close bracket, and press OK. Once you did that, you will see 0, which that is the number that we want. We want 0. Now back out of your palette, and when you press the button, which I'm going to move it, once you finish, you want to move it and freeze it so it doesn't go back down. Now when you're done, when you press the button will transmit, and it will send a signal to the random chip, which will generate a number between negative 100 and positive 100. Once this number is generated, it'll go to this right red pin, and since this red pin is wired to the text, whatever number comes from this, it will be transferred to the text. So when I press the button, I got a negative 59, which is the number that was generated between these 2 numbers. When I press it again, I get a 91. When I press it again, it will be a 4. So you can press the button as many times as you want, and it'll just generate a number. It'll just keep on generating. There's no limit to it. And you can just keep on pressing it, doing whatever you want to it. And you can mess around with these 2 numbers. You can change them for experiments. But that will be the end of the random number generator tutorial. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment what you found confusing. I'll do my best to help you. Again, this is a wrap for this tutorial. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.